Hey, welcome to another video. In this one, we're gonna learn about list comprehension in Python. As you can see, here we have a list of numbers, and from the list of numbers, we want to get all the even numbers. We can do it by using a for loop here for num in numbers. So we are gonna write a for loop like this, and for each iteration, we're gonna check if the number modulus 2 is equal to 0. That means the number is even, and we can add the number to our even numbers list. We can print the new even numbers list, and if we run the program, we can see that we are getting all the even numbers. If you don't know about list comprehensions, this is a good way to find even numbers, but we can write even concise code. So let's comment out this code. For the even numbers list, we can write num for num in numbers. This is a list comprehension. Here, this line of code is actually putting all the numbers from the original list in our even numbers list. To check it, we can print the even numbers list, and if we run the program, we can see we are getting all the original numbers. But this is not what we want. We can add a condition in our list comprehension. If the num modulus 2 is equal 0, then we are gonna get all the even numbers. If we run the program again, as you can see, we are getting all the even numbers. This is all for this video. I hope you have learned something new.